Hello students, welcome to Knowledge Flow Point. So I hope you all are well. So we were doing tenses. I have already made two videos on tenses, one on basics and another one on definition of tenses, and I have covered present indefinite in that video. So I hope you have watched that video. Now we will do present continuous in this video. So I hope you have already watched that video. So let us start. So present continuous tense is continuous tense. So I have already told you that present continuous tense is a tense which start in present and ends in present, which is continuing. It does not specify actually end. It only happening in present continuous, which is happening in present. Okay, start in present and it is still going on in present tense. So I hope you remember the timeline I have taught in that video. So its nature is, first of all, I have this pattern of teaching this tense. Nature, going on action at present, temporary in nature. So going on action at present, like now I am teaching, so I have used I am teaching. So I will make you sure the fact about this. So going on action at present, the action you are doing comes under present continuous tense. It is temporary in nature. Temporary because present is sometimes be past. So if I am teaching now, after 1 hour, after half an hour or 1 hour, it will be past. Okay, so it is temporary in nature, and its it is used in going on actions like I have used I am teaching. Okay, you are watching, you are learning. So nearest future about to come incidents, we use this tense in those sentences. So look at the structure of this sentence. First of all, subject, then you have to use helping verbs, is and are, then verb, first form of verb, that is present form of verb, plus ing plus object. What is the object? Okay, subject, verb and object are the main. But what changes occurs in these tenses is addition of helping verb and first form of verb and ing, and object is same, subject is same. I hope you have to remember this thing. You have to remember this subject, the structure of this tense. Okay, so let us see examples. I am eating rice. I am eating rice. So here I is subject, am is helping verb, eating, look at it, eat is verb, first form of verb, and plus ing, I use plus ing, and this is object, I am eating rice. Okay, like if I say I am teaching tenses, so there I will be subject, am will be helping verb, teaching, teach plus ing, verb first form plus ing, and teaching tenses, so tenses will be object. So clear. Next, they are playing football. Here I used first person and here I used third person. I hope you learned the first person, second person and third person table I have taught you. So this is they are playing football. In this, they is subject, are is helping verb, playing is verb plus ing, play plus ing, playing, football is object. So it is very easy, present continuous, still going on actions. Okay, so you have to remember the table for this. This table is applicable to all the type of sentences comes under this sentence: present continuous tense, affirmative sentences, negative sentences, interrogative sentences, as well as in negative interrogative sentences. This table applies to all. What it says is here I have written persons, first person, second person, third person. Here I have written singular and plural. So when there is a singular subject, what you have to put is am. First person, always there will be I is the only first person singular. Therefore, it uses am. I am. So am comes only with I, with first person singular. Otherwise, most of the times are is used. When first person plural will be there, are is used. For example, I am eating rice. If I have to say we, if I use we, then I will not use am. We am eating rice. Is it correct? No. So I will use are. We are eating rice. So it will that will be correct sentence. So if there is first person plural, then we have to use are. If second person, what is second person? You, your, yours. So we always use you are. Okay. So we have to use in second person singular and second person plural the same word are. Next, third person. When the third person comes, we have to use is in singular, like he is playing football, she is playing football, it is pen. Okay, so it is raining, like it is raining. So is here comes with only singular third person. When there is plural third person, are will be there. Actually, there is a trick to remember. There is plural are in all the plurals. First person, second person and third person, there will be are. Is, am, are. If you remember this table, this will be easy for you. If you revise this table daily, it will retain in your mind. So this is structure for affirmative sentence. Now we'll do negative sentence. What will be structure for negative sentence? Negative. What will be structure? Subject plus is, am, are plus not plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. For example, if I use the same sentences, I will write I am not eating rice. Okay, is it clear? I am not eating rice. I have only put not in the sentence. They are not playing football. They are not playing football. Again, I have only put not here. Clear? You have to just put not in the structure of negative sentence. I hope both the structure of these sentences is clear. Now we'll do structure of interrogative sentence. So let us do. So let us see structure for interrogative sentences. So always in the previous tense we have done that in interrogative sentences a sentence begins with a helping verb. Okay, that sentence will begin with do or does. Here it is continuous, happening in present, going on action, therefore is, am, are is used. Okay, so is, am, are plus subject plus verb, first form of verb, that is present form of verb, plus ing plus object. For example, am I eating rice? Am I eating rice? Okay, so here I am eating rice will be changed into am I eating rice. We have to just bring the helping verb ahead. Okay, next sentence was they are playing football. No? So are they playing football? Are they playing football? So this is the examples. Now I hope you understand the structure and it will retain in your mind with the help of examples. Now do this. Am I not eating rice? Are they not playing football? Done. Are they not playing football? You have to put question mark because this is question. So remember the structures: helping verb plus subject plus not plus first form of verb plus ing and plus object. I am doing single tense in single video because it will because it will not become bulky for you to do number of tenses in only one video. Therefore I am doing only one tense in one video so that you can learn easily. Okay, so you have to make notes for it. You have to write the structures, you have to write the nature, you have to write the usage, you have to make these tables if I provide you. Okay, these things will help you in better learning. I hope these sentences are clear to you. Structure of interrogative and negative interrogative. So thank you students for watching, and practice exercises given in your book. Okay, I will message the exercise numbers. So thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel.